I'm back at the boat today after a few days off working, and we've nearly completed the job from last time. Vacuumed out all the residual sand that's been left from the grit blast, and also cleaned all the foam from beneath the temporary floor. So let's plod on. After another cup of tea, of course. As you can see, I've put some red oxide paint on the bare steel around all of the windows and the portholes, and I've also had a bit of a delivery. Some of my vattening has arrived for the ceiling and also for the base for the walls. Even though the sun's out, it's a bit nippy, but I imagine as soon as I've moved this lot, I'll soon warm up. But before that, a cup of tea. A cup of tea is in order. This temporary ceiling racking is coming in really handy to store my battening. At least I can get it off the floor. Oh, we won't get in there. It's a gorgeous day today. I might as well get on the roof and get rid of the rest of this sand while it's dry. You can see there's still quite a lot of it. What I've done for the first coat, I've diluted the varnish with 10% white spirits as per instructions, and then I'll give it a couple more coats over the next few days, neat as it were, straight out of the tin. And we'll see how we go from there. Well, it seems to be drying okay. Tell you what, need a cup of tea after that. It's not varnish on the cup, by the way, it's tea. Look at the state of it. Blooming cleaner's not been in again. Can't be having this. Anyway, let's go and make a brew. Ready for a brew.